I don't even buy bread again, but I eat bread almost every time. So let's see how possible this can be. Hello sweets, welcome back again to my channel. This is Lady B Kitchen. If today is your first time tuning in, you are highly welcome to this Ogbonge family. I appreciate your presence. I value your presence. Thank you for stopping by. If you like what you see in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe after watching. I'm super excited to be sharing with you one of the best bread you will like to make, and you will like to be giving it a try anytime you want to eat your bread. So this is very delicious and very nice and lovely outcome. So let me show you how this is being done. Making this bread, I will be needing a bowl. On this bowl, I will be adding half cup of warm water. Now you can add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now you can add in dry yeast. Here I have half a teaspoon of dry yeast. Then you can stir everything together just for 1 second. Now you can add in 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then stir everything together and make sure that everything gets combined. Now you can add in your bread flour inside the mixing ingredient. Then turn everything inside, then give it a mix for 1 to 2 minutes until everything gets combined. After 2 minutes of mixing, this is how it looks. Then I noticed that the dough is too soft. Then I need to add in some bread flour inside the dough. After adding the flour, now I have to give it a very good mix, about 2 to 3 minutes until everything is well mixed and well combined. After mixing the dough, this is how it looks. So now I'm done mixing the dough, and this is the final look after mixing. Please take your time and watch all the process and see how I achieve this bread, or how this bread is being achieved. Please watch and follow the process. At this point, the dough is ready, so I'm done with the dough. So all I will do is to add the dough inside my baking pan. First of all, I cover my baking pan with foil paper. So the dough is ready by now, and this is how it looks after all the process. What I'm doing now, I'm using cold water to spray all over the body of the dough. I'm spreading some cold water all over the body of the dough. So I will let this water to dry up on the dough for just 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is how it looks. So now you can take your knife and give the dough a simple shape. So here I have 1 egg, so I'll be rubbing this dough with this egg. Just finish mixing the egg now. I will use the egg to rub all over the body of the dough. Rubbing your dough with only egg is good, and rubbing your dough with milk is good, but you can as well mix both of them together by using egg and milk. All of them is useful. So now what I will be adding is cinnamon seed. So I like you making use of this cinnamon seed. I like it a lot in my bread, so that's why I'm adding it. So if you like it, you can add it. If you don't like, you can skip it. So now it's ready and it's ready to bake. I'll be baking this bread for 25 minutes inside the oven. Now our bread is ready. Just take a good look at this. So the bread is ready, and this is the look after baking for 25 minutes. Just take a good look at this bread. Just look how soft and yummy this look. Now the bread is calling you to come and take a taste. Take a good look at this, my people. Just take a good look at this bread. This bread is just so delicious and yummy. I really enjoy eating this bread. I love it so much, and I love the outcome. If you enjoy this simple way I make this bread, you really like this process, please drop it in the comment section, because me, I like this bread a lot. I like it, that's why I share it with you guys. I know if you are going to give it a try, you are going to love it as well. Just take a good look at this, my people. Just see how soft and this look. Very good and lovely, delicious outcome. So my people, this is the end of this video. If you enjoy watching, and if you have watched to this extent, may God bless you. See you in my next one. Bye bye.